datatraders.com. This video, I'm going to go over a at the money put credit spread we did on RUT or UT. And a few reasons why I took it is it's very easy to manage these trades. All you got to do is enter it and then you just let it expire worthless. Or you take the stop loss. So share my screen real quick. So the trade I took was for RUT, was a 7 DTE trade. I'm going to go over why I took it shortly. Sold a 22.15 put, bought a 22.10 put. So this makes it a 5 with put credit spread, and took in 2.20. That's $220 for RUT. You multiply by 100 on that. So because it's a 5 with spread, the max loss you could have is 22.15 minus 22.10 or 5. Options have 100 multiplier. So the max loss is $500, and that's if RUT ends up being below the 22.10 at expiration. However, I did take in 220. So if the trade ends up not working, we're risking $280 on the trade. But if RUT ends up over 22.15 at expiration, you would keep the full $220 in profit. Now, the reason why I took this trade, if you look at RUT in the last about month or so, the black lines is where I sold the put credit spread. Top line is the sold put. Line here is the bought put. So pretty much at the money on these. The delta was around 0.45 when I took the trade. And you can see on these colored lines here, these are the exponential moving averages. The orange is the 8, the green is the 21, and the purple is the 50. As you can see, all of these are sloping upward, and the current price of RUT is above these 3 lines. So we have some positive momentum here. There's a good chance we'll see continuation of that momentum and decent shot that it'll go above it. In order for the amount of risk in the trade that we did, you're taking in 220, divide by the $500 in required buying power you need. This trade might make 44% on the trade if it expires above that 22.15 line. So this is a new type of trade we're doing at datatraders.com. Going to be looking at bigger risks and bigger possible returns, depending on what happens here. It does show a good positive expectancy doing these trades with the EMAs the way they are. So if you're interested in seeing more trades like this, you're going to join at datatraders.com. Thanks for everyone for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you found some benefit on this video, and see you guys on the next one.